Today's vlog was sabotaged by the Feiyutech G5. I put my GoPro in there just like I normally do. And for some reason today, my GoPro was picking up noises and it sounded like the sound the submarine's making the cartoons. You know what? I can show you better than I can tell you. Take a listen. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Monday. Yeah, so that's what I had to deal with editing today's vlog. If you're a vlogger and you're thinking about getting one of these, don't do it. It's not really chilly today, but I did bring this light coat. It's 62 degrees according to the Tour Van Weather Center. I love saying that. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's been raining all weekend, so typically it's gonna be cooler after it rains. So here I am wearing this light coat. But, all right. I hope this thing is staying in focus. It's not level, is it? Feiyutech G5, don't buy it. It won't stay level. Gotta stop here at the store and get a quick little pick-me-up. I'm talking about some smokeless tobacco. Wow, I love it. I'm wacko for tobacco. Woo-hoo! All right, y'all, this is what I got going on for you this week. Got some big news, not necessarily related to country music, but just pretty much related to me on this one. I have 2 months to quit dipping. I've been dipping smokeless tobacco since I was, let's just say for a long time. Now, the doctor didn't order me to do that. The dentist didn't order me to do that. Nobody has told me to do that. But I want to be tobacco free by the time my daughter is a year old. So we got 2 months for that. So it's going to be tough, but with the help of the Lord and a lot of praying, I'll be able to get it done. So let's say a little prayer for me. What I'm saying. This week I got some new songs that I want to get to record, or to at least demo them out. These are pretty good songs. I'm pretty proud of these songs. So I'm going to get a hold of Stephen Nolan this week, see if we can't get with Nathan Sexton, producer, and see if we can't jump in the studio and get these things demoed out. They're pretty good songs. I feel really good about these songs. So maybe I'll be able to take you with me on that. So that's what we got coming up this week. So let's see if we can make it happen. We're headed downtown right now and check it out. Alright, so I know telling you that I want to stop dipping and then stopping and getting some dip. This is probably not It's probably not the best thing, but listen, stopping dipping is pretty tough. So I'm probably going to go a little crazy trying to stop dipping. But with the help of the good Lord, I'll be able to do it, and the support from my friends, maybe it'll happen. I'd love it. So let's go to Tootsie's. It's right across the street from us right now. Come on.
That's what I'm talking about. I see you.
This time in that grandma's house, we did from them.
What you say, King?
Don't Kicking all our worries down the track. Rain is a good thing. Yeah. Ain't nothing like a kiss out back in the barn. Wringing out our soaking clothes, riding out a thunderstorm. Tender kiss and talking, the best love we made. Well, there I come from. Rain is a good thing. If I can, I still want to lay down and softly whisper. Pretty love or to your ear. Lay down and tell you all the things a woman loves to hear. I'll let you know how much it means. Turning you around.
Stop filming me!
Darling,
Stop filming me!
lay down. When the birds sang down, I thought I'd drink you off my mind. Then I get lost in liquor.
He's not British.
You're the only one I find.
Alright guys, look who surprised me again. Sergeant Wiley and Larry right here, my cuz from another Duz right here. Surprised me though. I was playing some songs, they walked in, I was like, Sergeant Wiley, am I having a flashback? And then, 10 minutes later, the roof starts flooding. The place just starts flooding everywhere. Water everywhere. What do you think about that, Sergeant?
Well, rain is a good thing.
Rain.
Rain is a good thing. I like the way we recovered. You recovered.
Yes, we were
Playing
covered.
next to the bar. Keep going.
Come on in. Come on in. Life of a country singer on Broadway.
Thank God Brent was a plumber back in his Air Force days, because not only did he keep the show going, he went and found the main water valve and he was able to cut everything off and save the day.
Save the day.
Life of a country singer.
There you go. Hey! These guys were up there shooting the top 20 countdown for CMT. Pretty cool. I was in here playing just a minute ago, and the roof just fell in. Water, had a big old water leak up here. Craziest thing you ever saw, ever had to play through. We got it fixed thanks to some expedient workers here at Tootsie's. So glad they got that fixed. We're about to get back on stage. Rodney Griffin, the guitar player with me today, he's giving me a little break today, or a little break right now, because we sang for so long without taking a break. But hey, you never know what's going to happen down here on Broadway in these honky tonks. Life of a country singer trying to make it. We just picked up Little Miss, headed back to the house. It's a beautiful day, check it out. Headed to the house, we're gonna watch some wrestling tonight. Comes on Monday nights, you know where I'm at on Monday nights. I'm at home watching wrestling. I'm not sure how the rest of the week could top today. Oh, check this out. Forgot to tell you, last night at Tootsie's, Brad Paisley was there and John Fogerty were there. Both at Tootsie's, singing and playing. How about that? How about that? Seriously though, they were there. It's pretty cool. I love what I do and love where I'm at.